Keeping your tools safe and clean is important. That's why the DeeZee Crossover Toolbox is a must-have for your truck. This crossover toolbox is perfect for the person who carries tools to the job site. It's strong and durable and can hold up to pressure. It's made from a bright tread aluminum, so rust won't be a problem. The toolbox has internal bins, and the front, bottom, and back are all one piece, giving it the reliability to get your tools to the next job. They also come with a gloss black finish or a textured black powder coat finish like the one shown here. This thing is strong, but it also has some practical features that sets this toolbox apart from the rest. The handles are unique. They are automotive grade pull handles, giving you a better grip when reaching across to open the toolbox. Security is one of the most important features of any toolbox. That's why DeeZee has made the crossover toolbox lockable and given key access from either side. The lid itself is amazing. It's a crown style lid with a full pan double V stiffener for more rigidity. It features a closed cell foam gasket to keep rain and dust from causing damage to your tools or other gear. It also has dampened gas shocks to assist in opening the lid at nearly 90 degrees to give you easy access. And once you lift the lid, there's a removable plastic tray to help keep your smaller tools and materials in place. If you're interested in purchasing the DeeZee Red Label Crossover Toolbox, or you need help with installation, please check out the store locator in the description below or on screen. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos each week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.